The Tenerife Airport Disaster, which occurred on March 27, 1977, is indeed one of the deadliest accidents in aviation history. It involved two Boeing 747 passenger jets, one operated by KLM, Flight 4805, and the other by Pan Am, Flight 1736, at Los Rodeos Airport, now Tenerife North Airport, in the Canary Islands, Spain. The disaster was the result of a series of unfortunate events, including heavy fog that reduced visibility at the airport. Both aircraft were diverted to Los Rodeos due to a bombing incident at their intended destination, Gran Canaria Airport. When the fog began to clear, air traffic controllers tried to accommodate a large number of diverted planes on the relatively small runway at Los Rodeos. Miscommunications and misunderstandings between the flight crews and air traffic control led to the KLM aircraft initiating its takeoff while the Pan Am aircraft was taxiing on the same runway. In the dense fog, the KLM aircraft collided with the Pan Am plane, resulting in a massive fireball and the tragic loss of 583 lives. This accident was a significant turning point in aviation safety and led to major improvements in cockpit communication procedures, air traffic control protocols, and crew training to prevent such catastrophic accidents in the future.